Welcome to the online class of biology practical. So today we are going to isolate DNA from the given material, plant material. That is, we are going to isolate DNA from banana. Okay. So while writing the aim of the experiment, you will change it to what? To isolate DNA from banana. Okay. So likewise you can write. Okay. And what are the requirements? Children, the various materials needed for this experiment is banana. As it is very easy to smash, we can easily get the DNA from banana. So we can use the bananas. Okay. Then we need beaker. Okay, and in that salt is needed. Then we need what? Detergent. Okay, any liquid detergent is very easy to use, and for this I have dissolved the detergent in water and kept. Okay, then we need the thread is needed to spool out the DNA. Understood? Then chilled ethanol, that is very much essential for this experiment to conducted, because it will precipitate the DNA. Okay, then distilled water, then funnel. Okay, then we need beaker. Okay, beakers. Then we need test tube stands, test tubes. Okay, test tube and test tube stands, droppers. Then another important thing is the plastic bag. Okay, zipped plastic bag. Okay, in which we can easily smash the banana. Understood? So these are the materials needed. So now let's see how to do. That is, first we have to take the banana. Okay, we have to keep the banana inside the plastic cover. Okay, and then put the zip properly, and then you can smash the banana very nicely. Okay, nicely you smash after putting the zip. Okay, because otherwise it will go out from the plastic cover. So nicely you have to smash the banana, and you can see it is nicely smashed now. Even you can add little bit water, so that you will you will get a very nice smash. Okay, into that you can add the detergent. Already we prepared the detergent. You can see now it is very nicely smashed. Now you can add the detergent. Okay, means that solution. The detergent solution can be prepared by adding 10 ml of liquid detergent and 10 gram of salt to 90 ml of distilled water. So already it is prepared and kept. Okay, so this solution also you can add to the you prepare it by adding salt, then what? Detergent and water. Understood? So this all you can make into a mix, and you can prepare the solution. That solution also you have to add to the plastic bag now. Okay, and nicely mix it. Okay, see that the zip is properly put, because otherwise it will get it will go out from the plastic zip. Okay, so nicely add all the solution and mix it very nicely. Then you will be taking a conical flask. Okay, a beaker and a funnel, and into the funnel you will make a filter paper in the shape of a cone, and you will fit it. Okay, fit it to the funnel, and that funnel will be kept in a beaker. Now you can add the content of the plastic bag into that filter paper, so that what will happen, the filtrate will get collected in the beaker. Okay, in the beaker it will get collected. You can see the filtrate is getting collected in the beaker. Okay, so now what you have to do is you can transfer it into a test tube. Okay, into a test tube you can transfer. Okay, so that you can easily do the further experiment. Okay, so you can see that when it is transferred to the test tube, you can spool it out easily. You can see the DNA also. Okay, now to this extract you will take the chilled ethanol. Already the ethanol is kept in the refrigerator for some hours, so it is very chilled now, and you have to pour that to the sides of the test tube. You can see that the DNA is getting precipitated in the test tube. Can you see? Okay, so this what is actually the DNA. Okay, and it is getting precipitated. So this you have to pull it out. Okay, you can spool it out using a thread. Okay, you can clearly see the precipitated DNA. Understood? So this DNA you have to take out and display. So that is the DNA isolation that you are doing. To take out the DNA, okay, you can make a loop at the end of one thread, and then slowly you can insert the loop carefully through the side of the test tube, and slowly you turn it. Okay, so that the DNA thread formed will be in the loop. Okay, so slowly you have to do carefully, because otherwise it will be missed. So you can see it is coming out. Okay, and at the tip of this thread you can see DNA, and you can take more also, isn't it? More DNA you can take extract from this if you do it very carefully. Okay, so slowly that all will come to the end of the loop. Okay, so this is how to do the DNA extraction. Okay, so it's clear. Observation is when you add the ethanol, okay, to the solution, which is what got from filtering the banana smash after adding the chemicals. Okay, you can see that they are getting precipitated. DNA will get precipitated. DNA will appear as white fibers, and that is easily can be spooled in with the help of a glass rod also you can do it. Okay, so this is the experiment. So I hope you are all clear with this experiment. The aim was to isolate DNA from the given plant material, and we used here banana to isolate the DNA. Okay, and the procedure also, while writing what we have done, according to that you have to change and write in the copy. Okay, so this much is very clear, I think. So we'll continue in the next class. Thank you.